Welcome to Singing with Ron.
Okay, here we go, guys. So it's chopping off my head. Oh well, we'll go like that. So I want you to reach up, nice and tall. Feel like you're really reaching for the roof so that everything is lengthening and stretching upwards. And we're gonna start with some and I want you to lean to one side. And lean to the other side. And then we're going to twist. And twist to the other side. Good. So, I want you to put your hands on your tummy, and as you do the I want you to feel when you let go of the that your abs and everything are going to relax here. So you squeeze on the one more. Good. So that release is very good for learning to relax, but also engage your abs all at the same time. And we're going to start with some lip trills. So now, if lip trills are hard for you, you can put your fingers here, or you can roll your tongue, or if none of that is available to you, you can do zzz. So we're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ready. And that for women, you're going to be starting on that pitch. For men down here. Good. And the point of this is you want to feel like it's coming right from down here. Here's my belly button. You want to feel like it's coming from here. So on this one, let's reach up. And we'll do some twist. Reaching up. As we get higher, let it go into falsetto, guys. It's going to go over that break. And one more. Good. So the next exercise is kind of weird if you've never done it with me before, but it's grr. So it's like a piratey R or Kermit the Frog. You see what my lips are doing? And we're gonna go So women are starting on that pitch. And men are there. And we're gonna go and as you do that, you want to feel like something is switching over. And now try it on E. E. And now go grr. Now put a G at the beginning. Grr, 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 grr. Grr. And then go goo. And then grr. One more time. Grr. And then we're going to go. Ready? Go. Grr. Now we're going to do ga. Ga. Grr. Grr. reaching up again. Grrr. And then we're going to go ga one more time. Ga. Good. So now we're going to do a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise. And so what that is zzz, zzz. So the exercise goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Starting there. So I'll kind of go, I'll play the fifths basically. Ready? So we'll start on zzz. Now, if you don't like zzz, some people who have lisps don't like zzz, so you can do zh or v or th, whichever you find easiest. I like zzz, but the whole point is to make it really easy and let your voice be a steady stream of air. Ready? Zzz. Reaching up. Yeah, let your voice be, as you go up higher, let it be easy. If it cracks into head voice or breathiness, that is okay. Zzz, ready? Good. So with that one, it's all about keeping the s very steady the whole time. So it's a steady stream of air, which is like legato. Okay, now we're going to do some belty things. So we're going to go, ha, ha, oh. So it says 5, 3, 1, oh, oh, and we're all on the same pitch. And maybe we'll start here. And what you want to do with this exercise is you want to go, huh, and then feel your breath pause or stop, and keep this engaged down here, and your chest slightly opening, huh, oh, and then keep that feeling going through the rest of the three notes that you sing. So it's that feeling of holding the breath, but also letting a steady stream out. Ho, oh, ready? Ho, oh. 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 And one more. Ho, oh. Good. I swallowed water down the wrong pipe right before this, and my voice is, oh well, anyways. So now we're going to do the exercise that I call the Adele. So, ah. So you want to make sure you're sitting up nice and tall and all of that. You don't want to feel like you're dropping your chest and sticking up your chin, but you want to lift your chin a little bit, stick out your tongue, just pant silently, and feel Feel everything nice and long and open and easy. Just rest your tongue on your bottom lip. Ah. So it's 1, 8, 5, 3, 1. Ready? Ah. And women are going, ah. You're up there, yeah? Ah. Or I'll do it down here. Ah. 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 It's gonna switch. Ah. Ah. Lift your ears, spread your nose. Really feel nice and open. Ah. 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 This gets too high for me. Ah. But women, you can stay up there. Ah. Good. So one more exercise. I'm finding that G really helps get people's tongues higher. G, 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 or even the NG place. Ga, 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 ga. So we're going to do an exercise. We'll start on a B flat, and it's just arpeggios. Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. And you don't want to be ga, 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 but more ga, ga, ga. See how my mouth is turning a little bit? That makes it more belty. Ga, 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 ga. 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 Make it easy. Ga, 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 ga. You want it to flow, steady stream. Ga, 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 ga. 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 Good. One more for the ladies. Good. Thanks, guys. I'm going to